How to check if your Samsung device is official or fake. This tutorial shows you how to verify your Samsung phone's authenticity using two methods on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. The Settings menu will load. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now, tap on About Phone. The About Phone page will open. Moving forward, tap on Status Information. Your device status details will be displayed. Afterwards, scroll down a little bit. Look for phone status or device status in the list. If it says official, then your phone is genuine. If it shows any other status, your device may not be official. This is the first method to check authenticity. Now, go back to About Phone. Look for IMEI information at the bottom. Tap on IMEI information to view your IMEI numbers. Long press on the first IMEI number to copy it. Tap Copy to save it to clipboard. Now open your web browser, like Chrome. Type imei.info in the address bar. The IMEI checker website will load. Tap on the IMEI input field. Long press and tap Paste to insert your IMEI number. Tap Check or Submit to verify. Wait for the results to load. The website will show all your device information. Check if the device model, brand, and specs match your phone exactly. If everything matches accurately, your Samsung device is official. If information is incorrect or missing, your device may be fake or refurbished. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you check if your Samsung device is official, give it a like. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.